The reason given for the changes in physique and color of humans due to migration is A. Exposure to different cultures. B. Predator avoidance. C. Climatic changes. D. Increased food availability. The correct answer is C. Climatic changes. What measurement could be determined using appropriate jaws of a vernier caliper to find the volume of a beaker? A. Its mass. B. Its density. C. Its inner diameter and depth. D. Its temperature. The correct answer is C. Its inner diameter and depth. What was the industrial base like in India at the time of independence? A. Non-existent. B. Strong. C. Weak. D. Moderate. The correct answer is C. Weak. What country did the Allies fight against in the Asia-Pacific region? A. Germany. B. Italy. C. Russia. D. Japan. The correct answer is D. Japan. What does meteorological refer to? A. Properties of materials. B. Weather conditions. C. Medical treatments. D. Mechanical engineering principles. The correct answer is B. Weather conditions. What is the primary genetic material found in a central nucleic acid molecule of a virus? A. Amino acid or fatty acid. B. Protein or lipid. C. Carbohydrate or protein. D. RNA or DNA. The correct answer is D. RNA or DNA. Which type of bond is expected in NaCl? A. Ionic. B. Hydrogen. C. Covalent. D. Metallic. The correct answer is A. Ionic. Which body of water is located to the east of the Pallav territories shown on the map? A. Bay of Bengal. B. Arabian Sea. C. Narmada River. D. Indian Ocean. The correct answer is A. Bay of Bengal. How many parallels of latitude are found in the northern hemisphere? A. 181. B. 89. C. 75. D. 90. The correct answer is B. 89. What is one of the functions of the National Human Rights Commission regarding compensation? A. Conduct trials for compensation claims. B. Recommend compensation to victims. C. Provide direct financial aid to victims. D. Set compensation rates for all cases. The correct answer is B. Recommend compensation to victims. Who established the relationship between potential difference and current? A. Georg Simon Ohm. B. Alessandro Volta. C. James Prescott Joule. D. Michael Faraday. The correct answer is A. Georg Simon Ohm. What is one of the learning objectives related to money in this unit? A. To know about the evolution of money. B. To study cryptocurrency trends. C. To analyze global economic policies. D. To understand the history of banking. The correct answer is A. To know about the evolution of money. In agriculture, what are plastic sheets primarily used for? A. To deter pests. B. To fertilize the soil. C. To enhance water absorption. D. To grow vegetables. The correct answer is D. To grow vegetables. What type of judicial system does India possess? A. Fragmented and diverse. B. Decentralized and independent. C. Dual and separate. D. Single unified and integrated. The correct answer is D. Single unified and integrated. What is the primary source of water for Tamil Nadu's agriculture? A. Rainfall. B. Surface water. C. Groundwater. D. River deltas. The correct answer is C. Groundwater. Into how many types are elections in India classified? A. 4. B. 5. C. 2. D. 3. The correct answer is C. 2. When a metal dish with water is struck at its edge with a spoon, what can be heard? A. A whisper. B. Nothing at all. C. A sound. D. A pop. The correct answer is C. A sound. Europe is a large producer of which type of drugs? A. Illegal drugs. B. Veterinary drugs. C. Pharmaceutical drugs. D. Recreational drugs. The correct answer is C. Pharmaceutical drugs. Who swiftly crushed the uprising at Vellore? A. Captain Young. B. Tipu Sultan. C. Fateh Haider. D. Colonel Gillespie. The correct answer is D. Colonel Gillespie. Which items should be stored in addition to dry food items, salt, and sugar? A. Construction materials. B. Cleaning supplies. C. Medicines and toys. D. Extra batteries and drinking water. The correct answer is D. Extra batteries and drinking water. What is the term for a solution that contains less solute than the maximum amount that can be dissolved at a given temperature? A. Supersaturated solution. B. Unsaturated solution. C. Concentrated solution. D. Saturated solution. The correct answer is B. Unsaturated solution. Where is K. Chantanayalan, a BT assistant? A. Lady Shivaswamy Iyer GHSS, Mylapore, Chennai. B. Tiruvalluvar HSS, Gudiyatham, Vellore. C. GHS, Periyar Nagar Nandambakkam, Kanchipuram. D. GGHSS, Ashok Nagar, Chennai. The correct answer is C. GHS, Periyar Nagar Nandambakkam, Kanchipuram. Who was responsible for pioneering the construction of macadamized roads? A. George Stephenson. B. James Watt. C. John Loudon Macadam. D. Richard Trevithick. The correct answer is C. John Loudon Macadam. Which location is associated with the Gudiyam cave? A. Pudukkottai. B. Chennai. C. Pallavaram. D. Maduranthkam. The correct answer is B. Chennai. What characteristic defines a base quantity in physics? A. It is an independent physical quantity. B. It can be derived from other quantities. C. It is always a scalar quantity. D. It is only used in mechanics. The correct answer is A. It is an independent physical quantity. What is a potential outcome of a diet lacking adequate fats? A. Increased muscle mass. B. High blood pressure. C. Improved vision. D. Low body weight. The correct answer is D. Low body weight. What type of transaction occurs in a future market? A. Barter transactions. B. Credit transactions. C. Immediate cash transactions. D. Debit transactions. The correct answer is B. Credit transactions. If a person walks at a uniform speed, what can be determined from their distance time graph? A. Their height. B. Their speed. C. Their weight. D. Their age. The correct answer is B. Their speed. What percentage of natural gas does India import from OPEC countries? A. 90%. B. 80%. C. 70%. D. 50%. The correct answer is C. 70%. The foundation of which empire in the East was laid by the Portuguese? A. British Empire. B. Portuguese Empire. C. Dutch Empire. D. Spanish Empire. The correct answer is B. Portuguese Empire. How did you score?